Hello everybody, I've got a fun project for today. I am going to be doing another sublimation project. I am going to be transforming this wind spinner with a frozen theme. This is a square wind spinner and I'm going to go through all of the steps from opening it up to putting on the design and revealing the final results. First thing I have to do is know the size of the object that I'm working with. Once I've gotten the dimensions of the wind spinner, I'm going to go over to Cricut Design Space and start working. Now you can see I measured the inside square and then the outside square. That will be clear as we get into designing this project. I'm going to do the design on one side of the wind spinner from the first movie, and I'm going to do the design from on the second side, the other side, from the second movie. So it will transition from Elsa in Frozen 1 to Elsa in Frozen 2. So I picked out a few images for the first side. For Frozen 1, I used for the background, Elsa's castle that she makes after she runs off to the mountains, a photo of her singing in that scene. And for the other side, I used a scene from when she gets to Alta Holland and her after she makes the transformation during that visit. So once I've gotten the design all laid out, I'm going to use Elsa to be in the full middle square of the wind spinner, and I'm going to put the background design around that. So after I cut it all out and splice it, I've showed you guys like this whole step of how to do larger print than your printer is able to print with sublimation. I could put a link up in the corner for that breakdown. It's the same method that I just showed you here, but I go over and I explain that whole process if you're looking to sublimate on a bigger size than your printer. So once I've gotten the design all finished up in Cricut Design Space, we're going to go over and print it all out with our sublimation printer, and then I'm going to cut each piece out and I'm going to line them all up and tape them together and then place them on the sublimation blank. It's important that you take your time and make sure you line everything up, that way it sublimates properly and just the way you want it to. So after we get everything all lined up, we are going to do one side at a time. I'm going to tape down the first side onto the wind spinner. I'm going to heat press it for 45 seconds at 360 degrees. And then I will take it out, let it cool off, take off the first side and flip it over and repeat the same process for the second side. Place the sublimation print onto the wind spinner, tape it down, heat press it on there, and then we're going to check out the final result. Frozen was a very cute movie. I watched it with my kids. Let me know in the comments which Frozen you liked better, 1 or 2. I think the second one was my favorite out of the 2 movies, but let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. So here's the final results. I think it came out stunning. I'm so happy with the results. This turned out beautifully. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the results and which side is your favorite. I want to thank everybody for watching. If you haven't, click the like button And if you're new to the channel, welcome and subscribe. I have all kinds of sublimation tips, tricks, and hacks. I have a playlist right here if you want to check that out. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Happy crafting.